Hey,
हे गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब? सारे लोग आ चुके हैं। सब लोग कम्युनिकेशन के लिए चैट बॉक्स का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अंशुमान त्रिपाठी। मैं 10,000 स्पीकर्स का इनर कोर मेंबर हूं। मैं एक टीम का कैप्टन भी हूं, टीम कलाम। और आज इस सेशन का, इस शाम का फिनाले का होस्टिंग करूंगा मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड फाकिया। फाकिया, आर यू देयर?
yes, I am here. Hey guys, am I audible?
Yeah, Fakia, your voice is breaking a little bit. Guys, if me and Fakia is clearly audible and visible, you can type 1 in the chat box. Thank you so much, Lavanya. सबको आवाज आ रही है तो सब लोग 1 1 टाइप कर देंगे तो हमको पता चल जाएगा कि सबको आवाज अच्छे से आ रही है।
Same as mine.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। सब लोग बहुत ही एक्टिव हैं, एक्साइटेड हैं आज का सेशन देखने के लिए, क्योंकि आज ये वो लोग हैं जो 100 में से 50 में से 15 सिलेक्ट होके आए हैं। तो आप 3 लेवल्स पार करके यहाँ तक पहुंचे हैं, तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। और ऑडियंस भी है हमारे पास, काफी एक्साइटेड लोग हैं। सब देखने आए कि आखिर इन लोगों में क्या ऐसा एक्स्ट्रा था, है ना?
Um,
दैट्स रियली नाइस।
Anshuman,
या फाकिया?
can you please give me the option of sharing screen?
Okay. Fakia, I'll give you the host thing so you can have it. Okay.
Okay, okay. So how are you feeling all for about today's session? Are you excited?
Very excited.
All the very best to all.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Find you.
Just find Fabulous Fakia and you will be able to see.
Actually, a lot of people are coming to the list, is jumping. I got you, then I lost you.
Okay, just do one thing. Click on share screen.
Okay.
Okay, and there you will get option, 3 option there. Are you able to see those options?
Yes.
हाँ तो वहाँ पे सब allow कर दो सबको कि share screen allow to all. One option we have something like that. Is it done?
Fakia, you are host now.
Okay. So
Okay, guys. So, okay, Fakia, are you ready there? So, टाइम हो चुका है और अब हम सेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे आज की शाम, जिसमें बहुत सारा एक्साइटमेंट, बहुत सारा सस्पेंस और आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही तगड़ी परफॉर्मेंसेस और देखने के लिए बहुत कुछ अच्छा अच्छा है। फाकिया, यू कैन स्टार्ट।
are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are some prizes. Just to remind you, I have just shared my screen with you. So, welcome to all of you in the finale of 10,000 Speakers. The amazing evening you all are here. On the behalf of 10,000 Speakers, welcome to all of you. I am Fabulous Fakiha, the team of the captain of Team Vivekanand and the inner member of 10,000 Speakers. Anshuman and I are going to host today's session, and we have evaluators who are going to evaluate you today. Pooja, Manushi, Ayush, and our cool coach Abhishek sir, who is the owner of 10,000 Speakers community. And I'm very glad to say that they are giving chance to you to improve their speaking skills. I think which is the most important for nowadays. in every field. We are going to start today's event. Before that, I would like to invite our cool coach Abhishek sir. Please say some words, and we will start today's session.
All right, thank you, Fakir, for that. And how are you guys doing? Can you just just remove the screen sharing? I think screen is already shared, so we have seen the screen. Thank you, Fakir, for that. And first of all, how are you guys? Can you just switch on your camera so that I can probably see you guys? I can see Aditi here. Hey Aditi, I can see Pooja. Ayush is here. Rashmi, what's up? Aparajita, hey, what's up? Are you good? Manushi is here. Hey Manushi. Darshan is here. Hey Darshan. Hi. Saudamini. Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, I can see Faizi. Faizi, how are you? I can see Devyani and Sahla is here. Twinkle is here. Twinkle, hi, what's up? Dia is here. Dia. Ishpreet is here. Ishpreet, hi. Good background. You're competing with Manushi directly on the background, I'll say. Rashmi is here. Krishna, Saron, and Anjali. Awesome. I think that's super great. So welcome to this amazing finale of War of Words August edition. And I heartily congratulate all the people who are able to make to top 15. And today is the live fight that we are going to happen. And I think you have got the topic that is something sizzling. Thoda sa na? It is kind of there. It is always, we switch on the TV and there's always somebody fighting on TV. So this is your chance to express on the same topic, and we're looking for speakers where we can see that spark. At 10,000 speakers, we help and we aim at finding those talents who can actually sway the world by the words that they have. And yeah, it's just super great to be a part of such organization. And I'm not the owner of it; I'm a community member. So it is started by me, but it is being taken forward by a lot of people like you, and it's just great. So thank you, Fakia, for introducing me. And I think we have 3 evaluators also with us. So each of the evaluators, Pooja, Ayush, and Manushi. Where are you? I can't see you. Manushi, you guys can quickly give your introductions so that people can know across. And from my side, all the very best to all the participants. I'm looking forward to see all across the great talent that you guys have. All the way.
Okay. Thank you, Abhishek sir, for introducing and for taking the session across. Hi everyone, I am Ayush. So I'll be evaluating your speeches, and I have seen great performances in terms of content, in terms of confidence, and in terms of your performance. So on the basis of these, I'll be evaluating your performances. So all the very best, and just shoot and say what you want to say. Thank you. Over to you.
Pooja?
Hello guys. First of all, really amazing finalists we have, and good to evaluate you guys. You guys have really a great knowledge. I am Pooja Jagasi from Mumbai, Ulhasnagar. And I am one of the evaluator. Basically, I'll add on the points what Ayush have mentioned. Even I'm going to evaluate with you on your performance, on your confidence, on your body language, how you're portraying your body language in the speech. We will take care of those things, and you're going to be evaluated on those points. All the best, and just say what you want to say.
Awesome. Manushi?
Hi all, I'm Manushi. I live in Pune, and I work in Michelin, and I joined 10,000 speakers a few months before, and since then that has been an amazing journey. So, and I'm so happy and excited to see this competition coming in picture, and it's so awesome to get a chance to evaluate you guys. So all the best, and just rock and be yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, Manushi, for that. And in the end, I would like to say all the very best, guys. I think the host will be telling you the rules that you guys have. And yeah, keep your voice a little louder so that it is coming across. And I wish you all the best. Over to the hosts.
Thank you so much to our coach, and thank you so much to all the evaluators. Let's start today's evening. And I would like to call my co-host Anshuman, which is going to share some ground rules with you.
Thank you so much, Fagya, for that. Thank you so much for the nice introduction. Hey guys, so season is starting. आप सब बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं और थोड़े से डरे हुए भी हैं. सबकी हार्ट बीट्स बढ़ी हुई है ना. सबसे पहले मैं बता दूं, मैं अंशुमान त्रिपाठी हूं और मुझे आप में से बहुत सारे लोग जानते हैं. जो नहीं जानते उनकी पहचान आज हो जाएगी. मैं सबसे पहले बताऊंगा, हमारे पास सिर्फ 3 ग्राउंड रूल्स हैं. पहला है, ये है आपकी हरी झंडी. मतलब जब आपको होस्ट बोलेंगे कि आई एम गिविंग यू द स्पॉटलाइट एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट विद योर स्पीच, इस हरी झंडी के बाद आपका 3 मिनट स्टार्ट होता है. आपके क्रूशियल 3 मिनट्स जिसमें आप अपनी स्पीच का सारा इंपैक्ट डाल देंगे और उसके बाद आप रॉक करेंगे अपने सेशन में इस पीली झंडी की तरह. और 3 मिनट बाद जूम से आपका माइक ऑलरेडी म्यूट कर दिया जाएगा. 2 मिनट 30 सेकंड पे आपको एक बेल सुनाई देगी. मतलब आपके पास सिर्फ 30 सेकंड है रैप अप करने के लिए. वो बेल साउंड आते ही आप 30 सेकंड में रैप अप करिए. 3 मिनट बाद आपका माइक अपने आप म्यूट हो जाएगा. टाइम ज्यादा आप करेंगे तो इवैल्यूएटर्स आपके नंबर भी काट सकते हैं. प्रो टिप. तो बस इतने ही रूल्स हैं. आप सब बस रॉक कर दीजिए, सारा इंपैक्ट डाल दीजिए आज अपनी स्पीचेस में. और इसी के साथ हम सेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. फागिया प्लीज, क्या आप मेरे साथ लिस्ट शेयर कर
पहले I have a thing. I think we should ask questions. If participants have questions, they can unmute themselves and ask their questions.
Any queries?
Shala?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were told that we would be given time of 3 to 4 minutes, but here you're saying it's 2 to 3 minutes.
लेक्चर चालू है.
Hello. Can you repeat please?
Yeah, we were told that we would be given a time of 3 to 4 minutes, but here being told that it's 2 to 3.
Okay.
Am I not audible? Okay.
Yeah, I think you're audible. Yeah, this is a point. Anshuman, did we take care of this?
Yes sir, it's most likely it's my mistake.
Okay.
So हमारे स्पीच सेशन में नॉर्मली 3 मिनट का टाइम लिमिट होता है, इसलिए मैंने वहां बोला आप टाइम लिमिट को 4 मिनट समझिए और बेल के साउंड को 3 मिनट 30 सेकंड समझिए. बस इतना ही चेंजेस है. थैंक यू सो मच दिव्या. दिया,
बेल का साउंड कौन सा है? We didn't hear a bell.
सर बेल का साउंड अभी बहुत जल्दी आ रहा है, बहुत जल्दी आ रहा है, मंगाया गया है. आता.
Okay. Any other
तो वो बेल
questions?
का साउंड सुनाया जाएगा.
One is so the time limit is from 3 to 4 minutes, and the upper limit is 4 as per your videos that you have done. You'll be getting a bell on 3 minutes 30 seconds, which can be sound like a bell like ton is type say, so that you know that the time is up, kind of. Okay, so just try to have a downhill from there.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible now. She's like, oh, my voice is not coming. What is happening? I am competing. Okay, any other questions we have? Anyone? Twinkle? Sadamni?
Just firstly type no if you don't have any question.
Okay. All right. So I think we are on then. So, Anshuman, how are you going to decide who is going to speak first? That's an important question.
किसी ने ऐसे पूछे नहीं, मुझे इंतजार था कि कोई तो पूछेगा कि भाई लिस्ट ऑर्डर क्या है स्पीकर्स के. सर आपने पूछा, उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. लिस्ट ऑर्डर एक्चुअली क्या सस्पेंस रहेगा ताकि आप सबको पता न चले कि आपका नंबर कब आने वाला है. ये जानबूझ के ऐसा रखा गया है. इसका भी एक रीजन है कि आपके कॉन्फिडेंस का रियल टेस्ट वही होता है जब आपको पता नहीं रहता, आपको बुलाया जाता है और आप आके धमाका करते हैं. तो हाँ, इतनी सावधानी रहेगी कि जब कोई स्पीकर बोल रहा होगा उसके पहले आपको पता होगा कि हाँ अगले आप हैं. ठीक है, पूरी लिस्ट पहले से शेयर नहीं की जाएगी. और इसी के साथ मैं पहले स्पीकर को अनाउंस करूंगा. ग्राउंड रूल सबको क्लीन है. टाइम लिमिट एक बार मैं फिर से रिपीट कर दे रहा हूं. टाइम लिमिट में करेक्शन है. टाइम लिमिट 4 मिनट की है. लास्ट 4 मिनट मतलब 4 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं जाना है आपको. 3 मिनट 30 सेकंड पे एक बेल का साउंड आएगा. उसके बाद 4 मिनट पे आप म्यूट कर दिए जाएंगे. तो उसके पहले रैप अप कर लें. थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, सब पानी वानी पी लीजिए, सब लोग रेडी हो जाइए. हमारे जो पहले स्पीकर हैं वो हैं फैजी खान भाई. आप अगर वहां हैं तो कैमरा ऑन कर लें, माइक अनम्यूट कर लें. हैं?
भाई नहीं है.
Yes.
I'm
She's
so
a girl.
sorry. इनका इवैल्यूएशन मेरी लिस्ट में नहीं आया था. फर्स्ट और सेकंड राउंड में. I'm so
सही है, तेरे नंबर वैसे कटेंगे.
And I was wondering कि मेरे
I'm
नाम
so
का
sorry.
कोई और था. मैं ताज्जुब में पड़ गई था क्या?
I'm so sorry sister. I'm so sorry for
And who is
that.
the second speaker, by the way? He or she can
The
also
second speaker will be Sudamini Mishra.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So be ready, and I'm pretty sure you can find some apologies for me. Thank you so much.
कोई बात नहीं, नाम सुन के
Okay.
अक्सर लोग ये कर देते हैं, कोई बात नहीं।
Okay. अब मुझसे नहीं होगा,
सबसे
लेकिन
शुरू में
थैंक
बताइए।
यू सो मच। बस मैं दूंगा, अगर आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आपने पूछ चुके हैं,
जी
ये आपकी हरी झंडी स्टार्ट होती है इसी स्पॉटलाइट के साथ जो मैं आपको देने जा रहा हूँ। यू कैन स्टार्ट विद योर स्पीच विद 3, 2, 1 रोलिंग।
So good evening everyone, मेरा नाम फैजी खान है, मैं एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ, मैं गुड़गांव से हूँ। तो आज का जो टॉपिक था ये बेहद इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है और मेरे बहुत दिल के करीब है, क्योंकि सब लोग बहुत क्रिटिसाइज करते रहते हैं कि यार मीडिया ना खरीदा हुआ है, ये है वो है, ये सारी चीज। तो मेरा मानना है अभी भी कि ये एक ब्लेसिंग है। उसको मैं एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ कि जो मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया है उसका मतलब क्या होता है। ये वो नहीं होता जो बाजारू तरीके से खरीदे हुए जो लोग अपनी न्यूज लाते हैं, वो जो पन्ने बांट के अपनी दुकानें चलाते हैं। मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया वो नहीं होता। मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया वो है जो बंजर जमीन से चीर के आपके लिए जो सच्चाई की जो खबर है वो लाता है। वो मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया है, जो एक वो आवाज होती है जो जितनी भी दबाई जाए पर वो उछल के आती है और आपके कानों तक गूंजती है, वो है मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया। और ये जो लड़ाई रही है ये आसान नहीं रही है। आप कोई सा भी दौर ले लीजिए, भले ही वो दौर देख लीजिए जब इमरजेंसी लागू हुई थी, उस वक्त रिपोर्टर्स का, जर्नलिज्म का क्या हाल था, क्या हश्र हुआ था और क्या अच्छी चीजें निकल के आई थी उस पूरे इनकलाब से। या फिर आप त्रिपुरा का इंसिडेंट ले लीजिए, आसाम ले लीजिए, आप गौरी लंकेश ले लीजिए, उनकी कुर्बानी ले लीजिए, या फिर आप बरखा दत्त ले लीजिए, आप क्यूबन रेवोल्यूशन ले लीजिए, फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन ले लीजिए, रशियन रेवोल्यूशन ले लीजिए। जब जब ये जो कलम का इनकलाब है ये आया है तब तब तख्त हिले हैं। हमें जो ये लगता है कि कुछ इंच का पन्ना जो हम पढ़ के शायद रोल करके हम ना डस्टबिनों में फेंक देते हैं या फिर हम रद्दी में बेच देते हैं, इसके पीछे लोगों की जानें निकल जाती हैं। हमें लगता है कि यार इन्होंने, यार बताओ कैसे लोग हैं, इन्होंने पैसा खाया होगा। पर जो मेन मीडिया है उसके पास सही बोलूं तो जितना एक कब्र का एक पूरा प्रॉपर स्पेस होता है ना, उनके पास वो भी नहीं होता है कभी कभी सोने के लिए। इतनी ज्यादा जद्दोजहद वाली जिंदगी होती है। और मेरा यही मानना है कि ये हम लोगों के ऊपर है कि हम क्या चुनते हैं। हमारा जो जहन है वो क्या चुनता है, क्या उसको सही और गलत की राह मालूम है या फिर सिर्फ जो हमें दिखाया जाता है। जो मैंने बताया कि ये जो बाजारू तरीके से खींची हुई जो खबरें हैं, उनकी जो दुकानें लगा रखी हैं, फिर हम उनमें चाहते हैं। मेरी फेवरेट लिरिक्स में से आता है कि वो सुबह हमी से आएगी कि जब इंसानों की झूठी अहमियत झूठे सिक्कों में न तोली जाएगी, वो सुबह हमी से आएगी और वो सुबह कलम से ही आएगी, जोरे कलम और ज्यादा। एंड मे द पावर ऑफ जर्नलिज्म, पावर ऑफ पेन मोर एंड मच मोर माइटियर देन एवर बिफोर। जय हिंद। थैंक यू।
Faizi Khan, such a nice speech, I can say. Amazing. It's evaluator time. Evaluator are evaluating you on the back. And before that, I would like to ask your experience. That how do you feel after participating in WOW?
It was nice. कि मुझे सबसे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा कि जो टॉपिक्स मिले, तो टॉपिक्स बहुत अच्छे चुने गए थे कि हर एक इंसान अपने अपनी व्यूज रख सकता था। So that was very nice.
Okay.
And thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Faizi. And audiences, you can also share your views that what is the best point you can like in Faizi Khan's speech in the comment box. And we are going to announce our second speaker.
Second speaker of the evening. And I hope you are ready. If you are there, you can unmute your mic and ask.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. And I'm giving you the spotlight and your timer start with 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Sudhamni Mishra. I'm an author and an interviewer. 1991. We all will remember that year specifically as maybe the ending of an era because 2000 was coming soon. But just before that happened, 1999, Jessica Lal was murdered. 2006, justice was actually given out. Before that, it was a long battle. But what came in between was this. The newspaper that reached every doorstep in all those years in the mornings. Mainstream media is the media that comes, which actually is born and sprouts from between all of us. It's one of us. The media was the one that intervened and made sure Jessica Lal got her justice. That was the first media, and not the first media victory, proper media influence witnessed globally. That's when we actually got to not see, I would say, but measure that exactly how much more mightier the pen can be when it comes to the sword. Just a gun was not going to decide the fate. It was the pen. And thereafter, in 2012, we had the Nirbhaya rape case, which shook the world. Many of us actually chose not to go out on New Year's Eve, that gruesome, that depressing, morbid night. It shudders. The nerve in me shudders when I think of that. And yet again, the media played a role. But yet again, the justice was actually delayed. It took 7 years for justice to be dispensed. Had we not had the media, can you imagine the time limit and the time it would take for the Indian legal system to act? In spite of the media interference, it took this long, but justice was delivered. Had we not had this, can you even think if justice was even going to reach the doorstep of a slum dweller or of a middle-class person? I can't. India is known for its delayed legal system, but today India is also coming into its own because it's known for a strong media with a voice. Yes, there are agendas. Yes, there's competition, but at the end of the day, we're being benefited. And that's what counts. Because even the people who are doing all the crimes, they're also following agendas. In a democracy like ours, we cannot have a passive media because our legality is stolid. The indifference is painful. Where we are known for a delayed justice dispensation, we need a media like ours, the mainstream media. And hence, I would like to end what I have to say with the fact that media today has become the voice of the democracy. And the pros are actually far more than the cons. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sudhamini Mishra. Such a nice speech. I can see fluency was there and really well done. Evaluators are doing their work on the back, and audiences, you can share your views that what you like most in her speech. And Sudhamini, I would like to ask your experience in BOW competition.
Okay, the experience has been incredible. Even the first round where I'd actually, I had actually thought this was all about the speech and the oratory bit, but I love the fact that this has covered social topics which are of so much of relevance. They are, this is what we talk about, even amongst ourselves. These are not topics that have just been prepared. This is what we actually delve into, think about, ponder over every day. So I'm delighted with the topics and with the way all of you have functioned and been prompt in your responses, and you people have actually imparted the feeling of a community.
Thank you so much, Sudhamini. Anshuman, please call the next speaker.
Thank you so much, and really amazing speech, Sudhamini ji. Really amazing speech. And guys, next speaker will be Hemlata, and after Hemlata, Tekchand, bhai, be ready. You are after Hemlata. You are next. Prepare your camera, prepare your mic, and Hemlata, are you there?
Yeah, thanks Anshuman. Hello guys. My name is Hemlata Pandey और मेरा टॉपिक है भारत की वर्तमान मुख्य धारा की मीडिया राष्ट्र के लिए एक अभिशाप है या वरदान है, आशीर्वाद है. तो मैं इसके अगेंस्ट में बोलना चाहूंगी. मेरे हिसाब से मीडिया का मतलब है माध्यम लोगों को सच बताने का माध्यम, लोगों को सही तरीके से अनबायस्ड इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंचाने का माध्यम. मैं मानना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे हिसाब से आज के डेट में मीडिया अनबायस्ड और इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं प्रोवाइड करती है. मतलब उनके जो तथ्य होते हैं वो तोड़ मरोड़ के जनता के सामने पेश किए जाते हैं. अप्रैल में आपने देखा होगा कि तबलीगी जमात का केस आया, जिसमें मीडिया ने काफी उछाला कि इनकी वजह से कोरोना फैला है. न सिर्फ उछाला, कई बार मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया, जो फैक्ट्स हो ट्विस्ट करके दिया, जिससे पूरे देश में इस्लामोफोबिया की लहर दौड़ उठी. उसी बीच हमारे दिल्ली में मंदिर मार्ग में अखिल हिंदू महासभा के जो अध्यक्ष थे स्वामी चक्रपाणी, उन्होंने गौमूत्र की पार्टी रखी, आधार बताया कि इसको पीने से, इसके सेवन से कोरोना वायरस चला जाता है। ये महामारी इसलिए आई है ताकि दंड मिले मांसाहारियों को। बालाजी टेम्पल जो है तिरुपति, वहां के एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पर्सन ने भी बताया कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन नहीं होता है मंदिरों में, न सिर्फ मंदिरों में बल्कि और भी जगह। लेकिन मीडिया ने इन तथ्यों को बिल्कुल नहीं उछाला। शायद मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया जो है जर्नलिज्म में सरवाइव करने के लिए अपने वैल्यू और एथिक्स भूल जाती है। एक और कारण है, शायद इसका कारण सरकार भी हो सकती है, क्योंकि जब धारा 144 लगा था यूपी में, तब योगी आदित्यनाथ जी अयोध्या गए और वहां जाके पूजा किया। कुछ जर्नलिस्ट हैं जिनको अपनी वैल्यू और एथिक्स उनके लिए मायने रखते हैं। जब उन्होंने इस बात को अपने पत्रिका में छापा तो उन पर एफआईआर दर्ज कर दिया गया, जो सरासर गलत है मेरे हिसाब से। ये मीडिया की आजादी का हनन है। दूसरी ओर आप लोगों ने अभी सुशांत के सुसाइड केस के बारे में सुना। आज तक जैसी फेमस मीडिया ने ये कहा, ऐसे कैसे रन विकेट हो गए सुशांत सिंह राजपूत। ये हिट विकेट जैसा वर्ड, इस तरह के जो शब्द का चयन करती है जब मीडिया, फिर भूल जाती है कि उनके परिजनों को इस तरह के शब्दों से कितनी ठेस पहुंचेगी, और वो इस तरह की लैंग्वेज का यूज करके लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा नुकसान पहुंचाती है। दूसरी ओर आपने दिल्ली राइट्स देखे हैं। दिल्ली दंगे में मीडिया ने मानो आग में घी डालने का काम किया। एक तरफ हिंदू और मुस्लिम के विचार अलग हो रहे थे, दूसरी तरफ हिंसा बढ़ रही थी। उसी बीच इनके मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन, ट्विस्टेड फैक्ट्स देने से लोगों की जानें भी गई, दंगे इस कदर पहुंच गए थे। रवीश कुमार जैसे फेमस जर्नलिस्ट ने ये बोला कि दिल्ली पुलिस पर्सनल की हत्या के पीछे मोहम्मद शाहरुख का नहीं बल्कि एक हिंदू व्यक्ति अनुराग मिश्रा का हाथ है, जो गलत था। ऐसे कैसे पेश कर सकते हैं। उसी समय दिल दहला देने वाली फोटो वायरल हुई जिसमें एक पुलिस पर्सनल 9 साल की छोटी बच्चे को बहुत बुरी तरीके से पीट रहा था। बाद में पता चला ये ढाका बांग्लादेश का है। ऐसे क्रिटिकल इंफॉर्मेशन देने से पहले मीडिया को 10 बार सोचना चाहिए कि वो जनता के सामने क्या पेश कर रही है, क्योंकि दोस्तों इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया एक माध्यम है, जनता को बहुत ज्यादा प्रभावित करता है। अगर मीडिया बायस्ड इंफॉर्मेशन देगी, ट्विस्टेड को फैक्ट्स को ट्विस्ट करके देगी, मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन देगी, तो जनता पर इसका बहुत बुरा असर पड़ता है, क्योंकि जनता में हिंसा, असंवेदनशीलता और असहिष्णुता को जन्म देती है। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि अगर मीडिया सच बताए, सच दिखाए, तथ्यों को तोड़ मरोड़ के ना दिखाए, तो मीडिया शायद अभिशाप नहीं वरदान साबित होगा। धन्यवाद।
Such a powerful speech, Hemlata, I can say, with lots of examples. And
Thank you so much.
Audience, you can share your opinion. What do you like most? And evaluating is going on the back. So how was your experience in WOW competition?
सॉरी फॉर द इंटरप्शन गाइस। सबसे पहले जाइए चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए कि आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा क्या लगा इस स्पीच में, क्योंकि अच्छा तो लगा, सबकी मुंडियां ऐसे ऐसे हिल रही थी, तो सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा क्या लग गया आपको, आप वो जाके चैट बॉक्स में बताइए। अप्रिशिएशन बहुत जरूरी है और आपके पॉइंट जान के हमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। एंड नाउ हेमलता, यू कैन शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस विद वाओ।
एक्चुअली इसने मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस दिया है। मुझमें ये था कि मुझे बोलना आता है, बट वाओ ने मुझे एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जहां पर मैं अपने व्यूज को प्रेजेंट कर सकी, और एक कॉन्फिडेंस दिया कि कैसे कम टाइम लिमिट में आपको कितना कुछ बोलना होता है, किस तरीके से उसको रिप्रेजेंट करना होता है। ये मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म साबित हुआ। इसके बाद लोग मुझे अप्रिशिएट करने लगे कि तुम्हें बोलना चाहिए, तो शायद ये इसका पूरा क्रेडिट 10,000 कम्युनिटी स्पीकर को जाता है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, Hemlata. It means a lot. It means we are successful.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Anshuman, now it's your time.
थैंक यू सो मच। जैसे टेकचंद भाई को पता होगा, कांग्रेचुलेशन हेमलता, बाय द वे आपकी तारीफें हो रही है, वो जान के बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Thank you so much. Even I am very happy.
Tekchand is not here. I can see you. If you are there, you can turn on your mic, please. Okay. I think टेकचंद भाई यहाँ नहीं है कंपटीशन में फिलहाल के लिए। अगर वो आते हैं तो उनको आखिरी में बोलने का मौका जरूर मिलेगा। और इसके बाद टेकचंद भाई के बाद हमारे नेक्स्ट स्पीकर हैं दर्शन दास, और आफ्टर दर्शन दास अपराजिता बी रेडी। दर्शन दास जी एक डेंटिस्ट हैं, डॉक्टर साहब हैं हमारे बीच, एक स्पीकर। दर्शन दास जी, क्या आप हैं यहाँ? आप माइक अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं आप? ओके, सो वी हैव दर्शन दास ऑन द स्क्रीन। अब मैं आपको स्पॉटलाइट दूंगा डॉक्टर साहब, और आप अपनी स्पीच के साथ स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं विद 3, 2, 1।
Hello, this is Darshan Das. I'm a dentist with a voice from Guwahati, Assam, speaking in the last round of War of Words, a speech competition by 10,000 speakers on the topic, is mainstream media, the current one in India, is a blessing or a curse for the nation? See, I won't mince my words here, okay? I will say it's a curse. In the last two topics, I have spoken from the perspective of an Indian. Today, I will speak from the perspective of a Northeastern. See, if I have to give a very succinct reply on the issue, I will use the words widespread asymmetry. You see, according to a 2013 report by the Center of Media Studies, it was found that the Northeast region, they contribute to less than 1% of the total news in the newspapers. The scene is no better in the news channels. See, according to another report in 2015 by the Global Media Journal, it says that only 132 seconds were given for news for the Northeastern region. Compared to news for the North Indian region, the time limit was 4,422 seconds. See, in order to explain you the hegemony of the mainstream media in India, I'll give you an example. See, in 2015, the natural calamity that was highlighted, that came to the headlines, were the floods in the Uttarakhand. But in the same year, 1.3 million people were also affected in the Assam flood. But Assam only came in the headlines in 2015 related to the Sheena Bora murder case, where the accused was a native of Assam. See, now coming to the current times, the news coverage for the Baghjan crisis, you see the oil field has been burning now for more than 50 days. 2 oil officials have died and more than 1,000 people have been evacuated. It's very disappointing. I know this because you see, as of 29th August 2020, the Baghjan crisis wasn't trending on Twitter. Actually, it's funny that the riots in Sweden were trending on Twitter in India, but the Indians weren't bothered about the Baghjan crisis. But the people are not to be blamed here. The blame should go to the mainstream media because it is the media on whom the people depend on. But many might argue that a 50-day-old episode won't last, won't trend on Twitter. But we shouldn't forget the fact that the Sushant Singh Rajput case is still trending on Twitter, and it's been 75 days since his death. So through this, you get an idea of the TRP-oriented media coverage in India. So similarly, the Dihing Patkai crisis in Assam, it didn't trend on Twitter in India as much as the crisis in Amazon or the Australian bushfire. See, but it doesn't only come to the lackage of coverage. It also comes to selective coverage. Like, see, the Northeast India is still considered as an insurgent hit region. That's because, you see, according to a report in 2018, it was found that by one Payal Chakraborty from the Taylor's University in Malaysia, it was found that the mainstream media mainly focuses on violence-related cases from the region. See, I think that we can tackle this prejudice hit mindset of the media by balancing the power.
Sorry, Dr. Saab, your time is up and your mic is muted. Unfortunately, sorry for that. Your time is up. And now we are giving you more 30 seconds to wrap up with your speech. 30 seconds more. Unmute yourself, please.
So we can divide this balance of power to those regions which are not highlighted as the mainland India. So by doing that, the media can really live up to its name, that it is the fourth pillar of democracy. Okay, so through that, media won't be the curse, but it will be the blessing. Thank you.
Darshan Das, such a nice speech, I can say, but I think you were not aware. Anshuman, please, once you can bell that ring, I think people are not able to identify that.
Okay, guys,
please
this
give
is
a
the
demo.
bell. जिसको जिसको बेल सुनाई थी प्लीज बता दें चैट बॉक्स पे, जिसको नहीं सुनाई थी मैं बेल बदल देता हूँ या और जोर से बता दूंगा.
Okay, this is the bell. This is the bell. Before 30 seconds, you will get that bell just to remind you that you have to finish your speech within 30 seconds. but I think Darshan Das, you didn't listen, and you muted. So thank you so much, Darshan Das. Evaluation is going on the back, and audiences, you can share that what do you like most in Darshan Das' speech. And Darshan Das, I would like to ask your perspective about WOW after
It was
participating.
really
How do you
great.
feel?
It was really great. I never competed in public speaking kind of competitions. So in this lockdown, it was a means completely different setup, and I'm very glad. I'm thank the WOW community for this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Darshan Das, for coming here. And Anshuman, over to you.
Okay guys, डॉक्टर साहब कांग्रेचुलेशन फॉर योर नाइस स्पीच। लॉकडाउन का एक पॉजिटिव फायदा मिला कि आपको अपने काम से अलग हटके कुछ नया सीखने मिला, उसके लिए जान के बहुत अच्छा लगा। कांग्रेचुलेशन फॉर दैट। एंड अपराजिता, यू आर नेक्स्ट स्पीकर, एंड आफ्टर अपराजिता, Aditi Singh. Be ready with your speech, your camera and your mic. Aparajita, I would invite you, please unmute yourself, please.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, Aparajita, you are totally audible. I will give you the spotlight, and you can start with your speech with 3, 2, 1.
A very warm greetings to you all. My name is Aprajita Chauhan, and today I am going to share my views on the topic India's current mainstream media, a curse or a blessing to our nation. To begin with, let me ask you a very simple question. How many of you are in a habit of reading a newspaper and watching news channels? Please do mention your replies in the chat box. So guys, I'm waiting for your replies. So I have got a big no from sir, and within a few seconds, I have got so many replies. So some people say, I don't know. Yes, some do read the newspapers. So like you all, I'm also in a habit of reading newspapers and watching news channels. So it was about last month when I switched on my TV early in the morning. And guess, what was the breaking news in the TV? Actor Amitabh Bachchan's health is stabilized. He used the hospital's washroom in the morning. Such an important news for the nation, right? It is not that at that time these news channels were not having any content to display, because at that time one of the sensitive topics of our country, that is the Assam floods, were prevailing. That was completely ignored by some of the media houses. I think you have heard about one of the famous sprinters, Indian sprinters of our country, who is none other than Hima Das. Yes, you are right in thinking so. She's the one from Assam who has won 5 gold medals for our country. And it was the same media who has given her full coverage, who has referred to her as Desh Ki Beti. Desh Ki Beti ne Desh ka naam roshan kiya. But what's wrong with media when we talk about such calamities that are happening in these northeastern states? Why they are not covering such issues? But I'm really sorry, I did not mention that these media houses did cover the Assam floods after a few weeks, when the entire Kaziranga Park got submerged and when one-horned rhinoceros were finding a safe place for themselves. My dear Indian media, Assam floods were not only about rhinos and Kaziranga. It was about lots of people who have lost their life. It was about lakhs of people who have lost their livelihood, and it was about other wildlife too. And independent media is very important for a healthy democracy. But it is so disheartening that nowadays some of the media channels are divided into 2 groups, pro-government, anti-government. The main role of the media is to become the voice of the people, but they are becoming the voice of the government and the opposition, and they are literally brainwashing the common people with their selfish propaganda. So here I have something for you. This is a bottle with water in it. Water in its natural form is a blessing, as you all know. But when I'll add some elements like lithium, sodium and potassium into it, the bottle will blast. I'm just comparing media with this water and our country with this bottle. Media in its original form is a blessing to our nation. But when it is exposed to negative elements like obscurity, inaccuracy, as well as biasness, it acts as a harmful weapon and it completely destroys the integrity of our society and our nation. So I truly believe that nowadays the current media, being a blessing, is turning out to be a curse to our nation. So respecting the time limit, I wrap up my speech and I hope it has been an insightful speech for you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aparajita. I can say very well explained and feeling delighted after listening to you. And audience,
any connection? I just want to ask that, did I lose any connection in between?
No, no, no. Perfect.
Okay. Thank
you
so much.
People, you can share your opinion that what do you like most in Aparajita's speech, and evaluation is going on the back. And I would like to ask Aparajita that how do you feel?
My experience was very great with WOW, as I am a very nervous speaker, but throughout this journey, I have improved a lot in my speeches. So yes, I'm improving as a person, as a speaker. So yes, amazing experience.
Thank you so much, Aparajita. You can see chat box that people are appreciating you. And after listening every speaker, one quote comes in my mind. I would like to share that quote, that whoever controls the media, that controls the mind of people. I think it is truly correct. So Anshuman, it's your time. Please call the next speaker.
थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। वैसे वाकया पता है आपकी बात से ना एक बड़ा ही मजेदार वाकया, एक बड़ा ही मजेदार इंटरव्यू याद आता है इलॉन मस्क का, जिन्हें शायद दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा एंटरप्रेन्योर के नाम से जाना जाता है। इलॉन मस्क ने इस वाली लाइन को मॉडिफाई किया और उन्होंने कहा कि मीम्स जो है वो दुनिया को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम में से ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो अपने दिन रात की दिनचर्या में मीम्स से होकर ना गुजरता हो। हर चीज का मीम बनता है, हर चीज का। सो गाइस, कांग्रेचुलेशन एंड बड़े ही जानदार शानदार तरीके से हमारी सेशन आज जा रही है।
I think I just add something in the middle. So
yes, sir.
First of all, I think the level of the speakers coming in is just great. The speakers till now we have had, I think great job done. I could see a lot of sparks at places, and I feel proud that some of the speakers, I think Aparajita and other people, there are people who have been there, who have done a lot of practice and mehnat, and yeah, it's just happening. So I think overall I'm very happy and glad for all the people coming in here, and I think the competition is going to be tough. I think that's amazing. I think Aparajita is crying. Why?
No, sir, I'm not crying. I'm just a bit, I was very nervous about the speech. So, the nervousness, it's all flowing on all over my body.
I think you did fab.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Over to the hosts.
Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations, Aparajita, for an amazing speech. जैसा कि मैं पहले ही बता चुका हूं, अगले स्पीकर होंगे हमारे अगले स्पीकर होंगे अदिति सिंह. Aditi Singh, if you are there, and after Aditi, Twinkle Gurani. Be ready with your camera and mic. You are next after Aditi. Aditi, are you there? Okay, I am not having any voice from Aditi. So as well, program आगे बढ़ते हुए हमारे अगले स्पीकर होंगे Twinkle Gurani, और after Twinkle, Ishpreet ji. Be ready with your camera. Twinkle, are you there? Twinkle Gurnani ji. Yes, please unmute yourself, turn on your camera. I can see your chat reply. Twinkle.
Yes, hello.
Okay, now I have your voice. Yep. Okay, Twinkle ji, I am really pretty sure that you are ready with your speech. I am giving you the spotlight, and you can start with your speech with 3, 2, and 1.
Hello, everybody. I'm Twinkle Gurnani, and I'm a news anchor. Basically a whistleblower, an insider, you can say, and I will give you all a lot of inside information as well. The role of responsibility of media is what we should talk about before we talk about how it's doing and whether it's a blessing or a curse. the role and responsibility of a media range widely. They're not just the watchdog of the public. They are supposed to hold the power to account. They're supposed to do investigative journalism. They're supposed to bring you news from not just your local areas, but across the country. And they're also international reporters residing outside in different countries from where we have to get news. So they have to do a lot basically, right? And for doing all this, they're supposed to get some resources also. This is one book that talks about the freedom of a journalist. And the freedom given to a journalist is nothing but the fundamental right of speech and expression that is enjoyed by each one of us. So there is no extra added freedom given to a journalist. In a survey done by Reporters Without Border on the World Press Freedom Index 2020, India ranked in the bottom 40, 140 out of 180 countries. Despite of such less freedom, I think media has done some remarkable works. From Vinod Mehta doing the 2G scam and exposing some real good celebrities, to Ravi S. Jha who did the fodder scam and exposed powerful politicians like Lalu Prasad Yadav. That is really hard to do. Mr. Chhatrapati, editor of Pura Sach, died while trying to expose Ram Rahim. And that is the very reason 2 years later, Ram Rahim was actually jailed because of incomplete work done by this person. And that, my friends, is the power of journalists. Let me tell you, Mahatma Gandhi was also a journalist. So now when we don't respect journalists, it really hurts me as a journalist because we are coming from fighting for freedom. The journalism, the media is a backbone of the freedom struggle. So I think we should really give more respect to these people and then they can start acting accordingly. And when we talk about corruption in the media, let me tell you, there's a lot of corruption that happens in politics as well. Will you say that politics is a curse and remove the government and, desh ko azad ghoshit kar do and there's nobody to run you? You can't really do that, right? Today, the world is transformed into a global village. Someone staying in Hyderabad is able to see something that's happening all the way across in US, the Black Lives Matter movement. You are able to see that, and all thanks goes to the media, the mainstream media, the radio, the TV, the newspaper. And not just are they giving you information, they are making it infotainment. Nowadays, media is a package. They give you Bollywood news, they give you entertainment news, they tell you what is happening in your favorite star's life, and a lot of people criticize it. But let me tell you, nothing works beyond the demand-supply curve. So Smriti Irani said once that you can never make a movie that you like. You always have to make a movie that the audience likes, because then otherwise it will fail in the box office. And the same goes with media. We can't give you the news that we want you to know. We can't give you the genuine news unless and until you want to see it. So people who criticize Arnab Goswami, let me tell you, his channel and he are the #1 journalist and the #1 most watched channel in the entire country. And that's because we people have made it. So I urge you all to respect journalism as a career, to respect people who are standing out there, Barkha Dutt on the Kargil war, she's giving you live footage. And all the other people, all the other journalists, the reporters who are putting their lives on stake. Several people like Gauri Lankesh have died trying to protect our voice. The purpose of media is to be your voice, and it will be your voice only if you want it to be your voice. If you want to watch Bollywood gossip, then that's all you're going to get. So please up your game, up your standard, up your demands, and the media will provide for that. So I would like to urge you all to be responsible citizens and support good journalism, and then you will get it. Thank you.
Such a nice speech with realistic points, I can say. Amazing, Twinkle, I can say. And I want to share that Twinkle is a news anchor as well. And I think for her, so audiences, you can go and comment what do you like most in Twinkle's speech. And Twinkle, I would like to ask you that how do you feel after participating in Bounce?
My experience has been wonderful. Something that I like doing is listening to people and knowing what people have to say, what they think about the basic, because from newsroom, you can't interact with audience. But WOW gave me a platform where I could listen to everybody's view on the same topic on which I was also very opinionated. So I could maybe see the contrast and comparison with what I believe, what they believe, the exposure they've had and why they believe so. So it gave me like a nice perspective into audience understanding. It was like a really nice platform and a very good experience for me.
Thank you so much, Twinkle. Evaluation is going on back, and Anshuman, over to you.
Thank you, Fakiha. Thank you for that. Next speaker is really calm and really awesome with the pauses and really amazing speaker. Twinkle, Ishpreet Kaur ji. If you are there, you can please unmute yourself and turn on your camera. Ishpreet Kaur. I can see you. Okay. and a speaker who is competing with Manushi ma'am about the background. And after Ishpreet, Diya Khanna, be ready with your speech. You are next. Okay, Ishpreet, I'm giving you the spotlight.
Am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay. All right.
And you can start with 3, 2, 1.
So I would like to thank the entire jury and the head coach of 10,000 speakers for giving me an opportunity to present my views on the topic which I've never thought about, probably because being a millennial, media is something which I stay away from. That's the thing which I do not like the most. So आगे बढ़ने से पहले the topic for today's discussion is the role of mainstream media, whether it is a blessing or a curse. So उसको जानने से पहले हम I would like to highlight that when I talk about mainstream media, I'll be talking about newspapers and to some extent the television channels as well. So if I talk about the mainstream media, first let's check what is the role which it has to play. So the role of a mainstream media is to bring about the truth in the society, to act as a watchdog of public, to be a whistleblower and bring about the truth and the facts as a matter that they are actually, without any bias. So अगर हम बात करें, the previous speaker who spoke about India's freedom ranking in the press, certainly it is in the top, it is in the least 40 freedom speaker, so to say the least 40 list in the freedom speeches. So if I talk about that, so it brings me to the first point that I would like to highlight when it comes to the mainstream media, that is Indian media has lost its autonomy. If it talk about Indian media, it has lost its autonomy. You see the main media people, they are rubbing shoulders with the most powerful people of the country, whether it is the politicians, it is the Bollywood celebrities, it is the industrialists, the big businessmen, they are found rubbing shoulders with them. So when it happens, when such a thing happens, autonomy of the particular industry ruins. So अगर हम बात करें Indian media की, तो उनकी जो authenticity है, उनका जो main purpose है to bring about truth in the society, to act as a watchdog, to become a whistleblower, वो कहीं ना कहीं affect हो जाता है when they are being affected by most powerful people in the country. So second thing which I would like to highlight here is that extremism is being highlighted in the Indian media. Polarization of thoughts is what is happening. अगर मैं आपको ये plant दिखाऊं और मैं हर रोज आपको दिखाऊं और मैं आपको बोलूं ये plant snake plant नहीं है, it is a plant, it is a rose plant, maybe a cactus plant, and I keep on telling you each day that yes, this is a cactus plant, that yes, this is a cactus plant. What will happen ultimately after a few days, maybe a few weeks? You will say, ठीक है, छोड़ दिया, cactus ही होगा. Maybe cactus ही होगा. And that's exactly what is happening with Indian public and media. They are dishing out false facts about the country, about the economy, about the people, just because of the benefit of the most powerful people in the country. And I believe that Indian media is somewhat affected by these people, so to say the politicians, the businessmen, the industrialists, and that needs to be halted in order to get India make India as a superpower. So in my opinion, things need to change when it comes to the Indian media. आपने अगर देखा होगा तो last when was it you took a newspaper yourself and read it? So that's I leave you a thought to ponder upon, that when we talk about media, there's so much negativity, so much power which is being brought about. So let's ponder upon and think what the role of media is in our lives. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening.
It's a calm speech, Ishpreet, I can say. This is as Anshuman has shared, that very calm speaker. I can say that yes, you are a calm speaker. Audiences, you can share your opinion. What do you like most in her speech? And I would like to ask Ishpreet, how was your experience in WOW?
Experience was really flawless because मैंने mention भी करा था वो feedback form में that everything was so smooth. I am not a technical person, so definitely I got to know each and everything step by step, but by the videos that you provided, how to go about the competition, how to go ahead with it. And the most important thing is everything is being transparent over here. आपको कहीं पे भी किसी भी point पे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि कुछ झोल चल रहा है. So there's everything happening with the transparency. So that's the best part about it, and I would like to be associated with WOW in future as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ishpreet. It means a lot for us. And
Associated with 10,000 speakers, I think.
yes, absolutely.
10,000 speakers. Sorry.
Yep.
Pardon me.
Yes. So thank you so much, Ishpreet, for sharing your views. And before calling next speaker, after listening Twinkle, one quote comes in my mind that conflict never survives when only one person participates. After this, I would like to invite Anshuman for calling next speaker.
Thank you, Fakir. Congratulations, Ishpreet, for your amazing and speech. हमारे अगले स्पीकर जो हैं वो हैं गोल्डन टेम्पल के शहर से. शायद वो जान गए हैं कि वो कौन है. दिया खन्ना जी, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए, ये इनविटेशन आपके लिए है. और आफ्टर दिया, रश्मि जी, बी रेडी विद योर माइक एंड कैमरा. यू आर नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दिया. दिया, आई एम गिविंग यू द स्पॉटलाइट. प्लीज टेस्ट योर माइक्रोफोन.
Let me change my network. अगर ये clear नहीं है. Is it clear? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. You can go with that.
Okay.
I'm giving you the spotlight and you can start with 3, 2, 1, rolling.
हम हैं आपकी आवाज कल तक से, हमारी आवाज या फिर आम आदमी को दबाने की आवाज. जवाब तो बेहतर जानते ही है. Today the sun was bright, but not as bright as your faces. A very beautiful evening to all. From sir. Your participation.
Yeah. Pause. So I think we are not able to hear you properly. There's some glitch happening where, every time we are speaking, there's a dot of voice coming in.
May I change the network for one second?
Yeah. अच्छा, मेरे को लगा पहन लिए तो उससे कुछ हो जाएगा. I was like, oh.
Magical specs. Okay. तो हम दिया को आखिरी स्पीकर के तौर पे रखेंगे आखिरी लिस्ट में, क्योंकि प्रोग्राम जा रहा है. टाइम बहुत कीमती है. रश्मि, are you there? You are next as announced.
Sir, did my voice is audible to you?
Yes.
Is it?
Yeah. दिया जी, आप अपने नेटवर्क का प्लीज चेकआउट कर लीजिए. मैं आपको लास्ट स्पीकर के तौर पे रख रहा हूँ. तब तक आप अपना नेटवर्क ओके कर लीजिए. ओके. Thank you so much for your cooperation. And Rashmi, welcome. Be ready with the speech, and I'm giving you the spotlight, and you can start with 3, 2, 1. Rolling.
Dad, आज इंडिया में लॉकडाउन हुआ है. Is it so? जल्दी से न्यूज़ में आ रहा होगा. दादाजी, आज उड़ी में टेररिस्ट अटैक हुआ है. ये भगवान, जल्दी में न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट आ रही होगी. मम्मी, आपको पता है दिल्ली के एक स्कूल में बहुत बुरा इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट हुआ है. ये भगवान, न्यूज़ चेकर न्यूज़ में आ रहा होगा. This is the value of media in our daily life. Hello, folks. This is Rashmi Sayal looking for graduation for Uttarakhand, India. A heartfelt thanks to the community for giving me a golden chance to be a part of WOW, War of Words, a speech competition organized by 10,000 speakers community. I am here to put some beam on one of the most controversial topic, India's current mainstream, a blessing or a curse for nation. So, of course, it's a blessing because it gives us a direct pathway to join with the administration. It widely covers the evils of our society like rape, domestic violence, child marriage, and so on. It builds a healthy democracy, and therefore media is the fourth pillar of our democracy. On 2017, there was a news. कल बेंगलुरु में एक महिला पत्रकार की हत्या के बाद, गौरी लंकेश की हत्या के बाद यही सवाल पूछा जा रहा है. राजनीति पर, हत्याकांड पर राजनीति आज फिर से गर्म हुई है. इन सभी के बीच एक बड़ा सवाल, क्या विरोध करने पर जान से मार दिया जाएगा, गोली मार दी जाएगी? And you say that media is a curse? One question that आप में से कितने लोग अपनी जान की परवाह करे बिना देश के सामने सरकार की काली करतूतें, सरकार जो भ्रष्टाचार करी है वो सामने लाने के लिए तैयार है बिना अपनी जान की परवाह करे बिना? I think so hardly few. In 1975, Kuldeep Nayyar, one of the most famous journalists of that time, despite being close with Indira Gandhi, he was arrested after 2 days when the emergency was declared. And what was the result? उन्हें तिहाड़ जेल में भेजा गया. And in his interview, he said कि मुझे खाना मिलता था उसमें फ्लाइज घूमती थी और कुछ टाइम बाद मैंने वो फ्लाइज हटाना भी बंद कर दिया था. उनके प्रोटेस्ट, वो जर्नलिस्ट जिन्होंने गलत के खिलाफ आवाज उठाई, भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ आवाज उठाई, सरकार के खिलाफ आवाज उठाई, उनको बदले में एक मक्खी भरा खाना खाने को मिलता है. And what we do as a public, we make a video and we just put it on our YouTube highlighting ओवैसी ने अंजना को थप्पड़ मारा, बेहोश हो गई एंकर. One question, शर्म नहीं आती आपको? What we do as a public, किसी ने बहुत खूब लिखा है कि जिनके घर शीशे के हो वो दूसरों के घर पर पत्थर ना मारा करें. आप महिला पत्रकार को घेरेंगे, आप महिला पत्रकार को घेरेंगे, मान आप कैमरा चलाइए, तस्वीर दिखाइए, मान आप कैमरा चलाइए. These are the words of an ARSA correspondent when she was reporting in front of the Jamia University. तब आप में से किसी ने उस महिला पत्रकार की जज्बात, उस महिला पत्रकार की हिम्मत, जज्बे को सलामियत क्यों नहीं करी? One question to all the parents, आप में से कितने पेरेंट्स अपनी बेटी को जामिया यूनिवर्सिटी के आगे, जब आपकी बेटी चारों तरफ लड़कों से घिरी हो, लड़के वहां पे तालियां मार मार के टीज कर रहे हो आपकी बेटी को, आप में से कितने पेरेंट्स अपनी बेटी को वहां पे भेजेंगे? I think so hardly few or no one. Man, no one is perfect, neither any profession nor any person. At the end, I just want to say, अगर आप किसी कहीं पे फ्लॉज देख रहे हैं तो आप फ्लॉज पे वर्क कीजिए. लेग पुलिंग करके कुछ फायदा नहीं हो जाएगा. आप लोग कहते हैं कि मीडिया जो है खरीदा हुआ है, मीडिया हाउस खरीदा हुआ है, एंकर्स को अपनी नौकरी का खतरा रहता है, मीडिया हाउस को बंद होने का खतरा रहता है. क्या आपने कभी सवाल किया कि इन्हें क्यों खतरा रहता है? आप गवर्नमेंट से क्यों नहीं क्वेश्चन करते कि वो क्यों मीडिया पे दबाव डालती है? आप मीडिया, गवर्नमेंट से, सरकार से सवाल कीजिए कि आप मीडिया को प्रेशराइज क्यों करते हैं? इतने सालों से यही बात बोली जाती है, मीडिया हाउस बिका हुआ है, बिका हुआ है. हो क्या गया? बहस करके कुछ नहीं मिला. आप साफ साफ सरकार से सवाल कीजिए, आप क्यों प्रेशराइज करते हैं? एट द एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स को देखकर ही कुछ नहीं होगा. अगर आप किसी के नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स देख रहे हैं, वेदर एनी पर्सन और एनी प्रोफेशन और एनीथिंग, तो आप पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स भी देखिए, तभी चीजें काम करेंगी. तो जस्ट फोकस ऑन बोथ द एस्पेक्ट्स. अगर आपको फ्लॉज दिख रहे हैं तो आप फ्लॉज पे वर्क कीजिए, रूट कॉज पे वर्क कीजिए. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग मी सो पेशेंटली. दिस इज रश्मि सुयार फ्रॉम उत्तराखंड, इंडिया, साइनिंग ऑफ.
Rashmi, such a nice speech. Such a nice speech, I can say. Means you just grab our just listen to you only like that. Attention you have grabbed.
Thank you so much.
And you have speak from the heart, I can say. You have spoken from the heart. And such a nice speech. Audiences, you can share your opinion. That what do you like most in her speech? And evaluation is going on the back. So Rashmi, how was your experience with WOW? In WOW?
Ma'am, really, kind of creative. Actually, recently I had passed my 12th and I was a normal speaker. I used to attend assembly in my school. So I get a platform from WOW कि हाँ मैं यहाँ पे अपने आप को evaluate कर सकती हूँ. मैं अपने स्कूल में इतनी स्पीच देती थी तो एक प्लेटफॉर्म था जहाँ पे मैं अपने आप को evaluate कर सकती हूँ. और प्लस मैं as I am girl, girls life is not that much easy. काफी चीजें उन्हें देखना पड़ता है. तो आगे मुझे अपना करियर बनाने के लिए ये एक मुझे बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला कि जाके मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलूं दैट या आई एम गुड इन दिस, तो आप मुझ पे इन्वेस्ट कीजिए कुछ मनी और आगे मैं फ्यूचर में जरूर कुछ करूंगी. सो ये जो वाओ प्लेटफॉर्म है ये मेरी लाइफ बना भी सकता है, आई शुड से इन फ्यूचर. एंड इट वाज अ नाइस वर्किंग विद यू पीपल एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट कंटिन्यू विद इट, क्योंकि इसकी जरूरत मुझ जैसी हजारों लड़कियों को है जो अपने पेरेंट्स को दिखाना चाहती हैं कि उनके अंदर कुछ है. जैसे ये आज मेरे लिए प्लेटफॉर्म है. आई टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, my father was feeling very proud when I was selected in top 15 with 4th rank. So it was a very moment for my parents. तो मेरी जैसी लड़कियों को इसकी जरूरत है.
Thank you so much, Rashmi. I can say such an impactful speech. Really very nice. Done very well.
These words really matters to me.
So Anshuman, it's your time.
अमेजिंग रश्मि, आपकी ये पेरेंट्स वाली बात सुन के जितनी खुशी हो रही है ना अंदर से, जितना भी मेहनत लगता है काम करने का, लगता है सब वसूल हो गया ये सुन के, सब वसूल। हम अपने कोच के चेहरे पे वो स्माइल देखते ना, प्राउड वाला, वो एकदम सेटिस्फाइंग हो जाता है।
जितना भी कह दी दैट बॉयज गर्ल्स इक्वल आ रही है, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो चीजें हैं अभी भी बैकवर्ड एरियाज वेयर, जैसे मैं अभी विलेज एरिया को बिलोंग करती हूँ, तो काफी चीजें हैं वेयर वी हैव टू स्टिल।
दैट्स अमेजिंग रश्मि, आपको ये चांस मिला है, आप अपने पेरेंट्स के सामने डेफिनेटली प्रूव करेंगे कि आप एक बहुत जानदार स्पीकर हैं। और हमारे अगले स्पीकर, अगले परफॉर्मर सहला जी हैं, एक लॉ की बहुत ही डीपली जानकार, काफी सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन एंड ऑल देयर। So after Sailaji, Lavanya Srivastava, be ready. Yes, you are audible, Sailaji. I am giving you the spotlight, and you can start with the speech with 3, 2, 1.
Malcolm has once said, media is the most powerful entity in the world. It can change the guilty into innocent and the innocent into guilty because they have got the power to control the minds of the masses. Yes, the mainstream media in India is a bane to the nation. You know, there are two important factors that led to the major transformation of the mainstream media in the country. The first is obviously the rapid changes in the technology, and second is an unstoppable energy of the chaotic, anarchic, and creative democracy. And these two have blended together to form a spineless, a biased, and a free mainstream media in the country. You know, these mainstream media are self-regulatory, and out of it, they are having a soft power in their hands. And that soft power, that is the biggest threat to India as a democracy. I'd like to substantiate this, like how the mainstream media are becoming a bane to the country. I'll cite out some examples. You know, there are certain modus operandi which are followed by these mainstream media in the country. The first is about, they twist the facts according to their whims and fancies. Most of the mainstream media in the country are either funded by the political parties or business tycoons or individuals, or even it is said that they have linked with the government. So, you know, like that, the news are reached to the people and twisted according to the funders' whims and fancies. And once it crosses this fact with the credibility, these platforms often play the victim card. And the second I would like to discuss is about the real issues are not the issues. You can just switch on the TV now. We can see the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. Yes, it was a pill of shock to everyone. India's finest actor lost his life. But you know, even the Supreme Court have ordered the CBI to take up the case. Then why the media is focusing on that yesterday? You know, world and India is fighting against a global pandemic. The media could have focused on different varieties of issues, such as how to live a safe life with COVID and what are job opportunities to people, you know, the youth in a sustainable way in the time of the lockdown. And thirdly, even we could have discussed about the mental health, but see how media creating a fear and anger in the minds of the people and just keep making it sensational to increase their TRP rate. And the third point is about the branding a particular community. You know, when any terrorism or any such things which is against the national security, of course, the media has got a tendency to make a particular community as a cause for this. So out of this, hatred is created among the people and division occurs. Here, we are going back to the policy which was there at the time of Britishers, that is divide and rule. So when this hatred is created among the people in the country, you know, people are becoming hatred. They are hating each other out of no reason. And the fourth point I would like to substantiate is about the paid news. This is very prevalent, you know, at the time of the election, where these news channels or the mainstream media are funded abundantly, and even they are not able to reflect these funds, you know, these payments in their balance sheet. They are evading the Income Tax Act as well as they are evading the Companies Act also at the same time. So here, this payment, they are not able to, you know, make it transparent because we can say there is a slight point of corruption also taking place here. It's like almost the media is a business field. And here the most important thing that we are forgetting here is that media is the fourth pillar of the democracy. You know, on these all modus operandi, what is created here is, down the line, there is a psychological impact created in the minds of the people that they are, you know, they are making the opinions or the opinions of the public are manufactured. Like we can see in any of the cases, it's a matter of psychology. So this is not what actually the media should serve. They should not be the mouthpieces of the political parties or like that. That is not what democracy. That is completely against the concept of democracy. Yes, we can make this mainstream media as a bane to the country in certain ways, like for transparency. We can come up with transparency as well as when consultations and discussions. Even Article 19 Clause 2, which imposes a reasonable restriction on the speech and expression of the press, can be widened. And even in India, we have a press council. When we give the press council an autonomy power or come up with new rules, that can also we can change this mainstream media into a bane to the country. So here, the media is becoming much more seducted. That is why the people are not getting the real news. So here, what I want to conclude is that media is a fourth pillar of democracy after the executive, judiciary, and the legislature. So the fourth pillar should act accordingly, should act with the people. It should be a connecting force between the leaders and the people. So that's all. So the media have to work a lot to become the fourth pillar of the democracy. Thank you.
Sahla, Advocate Sahla, I can say, such a nice speech. And evaluation is going on the back.
Thank
Audiences, you can share your opinion. What do you like most in her speech? And Sahla, I would like to ask to you that how was your experience with WOW?
Yeah, it was a very nice experience, because as you have said, I'm a law student. I'm about to pass out from my law school, and I'm very fond of this public speaking. That's why I have opted law as my career also. So, in this lockdown period, we are not getting much opportunities. I was very active in my college in, participating in many competitions, state level, and also I was very bored sitting in home in this lockdown without any such activities. So actually my friend suggested the 10,000 speakers community program, and even yesterday I called him and I thanked him. Thank you so much for this. Because we are doing something. At least we are doing something, that we are learning something. So even I could research well on the rape topic last time, and this time about the media. Actually, I'm so thankful for the 10,000 speakers community. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sahla, for your words, I can say. And I want to share one inspiring quote with you, which I follow, that continuous improving is better than to wait for perfection.
Yeah.
So Anshuman, over to you. Please call the next speaker.
Thank you so much, Fakya. This is called an impactful speech. Congratulations, Sahla ji. Congratulations on your speech. The next speaker will be Lavanya Shrivastava. Are you there? And after Lavanya,
Am I audible?
Devyani, be ready. You are next after Lavanya. Lavanya, you are audible. And I'm giving you the spotlight, and you can start with your speech with 3, 2, 1, rolling.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, respected judges and distinguished guests, and my fellow members. This is Lavanya Shrivastava, and today I'll speak on the topic, is India's current mainstream media is a blessing or the curse for the nation. One of the great achievements of India is a free and vibrant press. It is hugely important asset for a democratic India. India has 1,600 satellite channels, in which more than 400 are news channels. It is the biggest newspaper market in the world, with over 100 million copies sold each day. Now, I would like to ask you all one question. Do you think we would have been able to survive the lockdown without media? According to me, no way. Our houses would have been more like a big boss house, where we are not aware what is happening next side of the wall of our houses. So we are blessed to have Indian media. We would have been gone crazy mentally. During the time of lockdown, Indian media has been active 24/7. It wasn't like they did not face any consequences. Many reporters had got affected by the virus, but that never came between you and the news you were watching. So it's very important for us to take few moments and appreciate their effort, their hard work. People usually take media as a joke. एक टॉपिक पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं मीडिया वाले. Well,
My reply to those comments is, we are seeing the biggest example of SSR case, Palghar case, and so on, which got highlighted by the media and started walking on the track of justice just because of media. It's really important for us as citizens of India to watch media with open minds and not with a mind which is concentrated to a particular political party. You don't need to observe any and completely observe every news given by the channels and give criticism and judgments to the Indian media as a whole. After this, I would like to highlight some more rather rare advantages of media. Indian media is not only the source of current awareness or knowledge for us, but also a source for us to learn skills while simultaneously gaining knowledge. It's a great source of employment, especially for a country like ours. Media improves governments by monitoring the actions of those in power, altering the public to corruption and abuse of trust. A strong and free and independent media sector leads to lower corruption levels. Therefore, according to me, no doubt our current mainstream media is a blessing. For a child throughout his age till an old age can be aware of the things happening around him. Greater accuracy is mainly an internal challenge for the media. Also, there should be scheduled time to show some stuff which is not useful for the majority of citizens. So the bottom line is, media is the most powerful entity and can force necessary changes. Blessing indeed for the nation. Thank you.
Lavanya, such a calm speech, I can say. And I can say that you were enjoying your own speech. It was looking. After listening your speech, one quote comes in my mind, which has been shared by our journalist, that I became a journalist to come as much as possible to the heart of the world. So, Lavanya, evaluation is going on the back. Audiences, you can share your views. And Lavanya, I would like to ask to you that your experience with WOW.
It was really amazing. It is such a great platform for us to showcase our voices, to raise our voices for such important topics. And it gave us so much confidence. It is a blessing to be here in this platform.
Thank you so much, Lavanya. Anshuman, over to you. Please call the next speaker.
Wow, amazing guys. आप लोगों के experiences जान के जितना अच्छा लग रहा है ना, बढ़िया लगता है. और congratulations लावण्य for an amazing speech. बहुत ही जानदार speech थी. जो नेक्स्ट स्पीकर हैं, इनका वीडियो देखते तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये मुझसे ही बात कर रही हैं. Really connecting speech. Devyani, it is you. Please unmute yourself. You are next speaker and I will give you the spotlight. Please check your audio first. Devyani.
Am I audible?
Yes, Devyani, you're audible. I am giving you the spotlight and you can start with the speech with 3, 2, 1. Rolling.
Hey everybody, this is Devyani Neeral and today I'm here to express that whether India's current mainstream media is a blessing or a curse. I've heard so many spitters, but I would I'll give a very daily life examples like a lame person. So here I begin. You know, there are always two kind of people, or I could say two kind of pizza lovers. One who eat the whole pizza and one who keep the corners. So that is with media, okay? If you want to see the whole news, see it. If you don't want, don't leave the corners. That's what. I think that it is a blessing. Now why? You know, the people who leave the corners of pizza, what we do to them, we say, how are you? How you eat? Is it the way? No. But somehow, somewhere, they teach us one thing, that you need to pick something in life and you need to leave something in your life. That's what. You know, there are so many cases of Corona, Sushant Singh Rajput and all that. You know, media is also a business. Think if you are going to make a business, you'll also do the same thing. Just try yourself in someone's shoes. You'll realize. Okay, I'll I'll allow you all to just play one act. Okay, like here are speakers, readers, writers. So let us imagine that you won the best-selling author of the decade. You have been awarded as the best motivation speaker. You think that how I'll get ready, how I'll interview, how I'll talk to people. But later on, you realize that there is no media. Now what to do? How I'll do my interview? How I'll reach out to people? Now you understand the concern that media is good for someone, like for the actors, for the business people, for the political views. We are not here to judge someone that this is wrong, don't do this. You know, you often wander to shopping malls. No? There is some flash sale, buy one, get one. That is also marketing, and you like that. And if media does this, you don't like this. My dear public, understand that there is a lot of competition around there, and that's why they exaggerate the things. They want to grab the audience. They want their TRP. That's why they do this. You know, I'll quote very simple example. हर कोई सीरियल देखता होगा यार, हर किसी को वो क्या वाला सीन भी तो पसंद आता है ना. क्यों आता है? क्योंकि वो अपना अटेंशन ग्रैब करते हैं. हर चीज सिंपल नहीं होती है, थोड़ा मसाला भी होना चाहिए. And so does news channel do it to it, just to grab your attention. I quote a simple statement. किसी को शिवलिंग में पत्थर दिखता है और किसी को पत्थर में शिवलिंग. It's a matter of perception. It's a matter how you perceive the things. So I believe that the media is a blessing, because if it's not there, we are unable to reach out to people. We are unable to gather the news. We are unable to know the awareness which is happening around the world. So I think that it is a blessing. It doesn't matter if they are exaggerating the things, if they are making it a fuss. It's you, how much you gain or how much you leave. So I, Divyani Neeral, sign off with this my words. Thank you.
Devyani, such a nice speech, I can say. Realistic points you have shared and examples you have shared. Everything was amazing. Audiences, you can share your views. What do you like most? Evaluation is going on the back. And Devyani, how was your experience with WOW?
Actually, it was a really very great example. I mean, I think motivation is my cup of tea, but WOW has given me certain topics which made me realize that I need to start speaking something else also. So it was really a great platform, and I learned a lot from this. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you so much, Devyani, for your such a nice words. And Anshuman, over to you.
Thank you so much. An amazing speech, Devyani. Congratulations for your speech, first of all. Really amazing speech. And for the next speaker, एक हिंदी के बहुत ही जानदार शानदार स्पीकर हमारे बीच हैं. नहीं, हेमलता जी ने तो बोल लिया है. एक और स्पीकर हैं. टेकचंद भाई, अगर आप यहाँ हैं तो प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट करिए, कैमरा ऑन करिए. टेकचंद भाई, थैंक यू सो मच. टेकचंद जी, आप अपना ऑडियो चेक करेंगे प्लीज.
यस सर, आवाज आ रही है आपको?
यस टेकचंद जी, आपकी आवाज आ रही है. और बस फिर मैं आपको स्पॉटलाइट देता हूं और आप अपने स्पीच के साथ स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. 3, 2, 1, रोलिंग.
सुबह सुबह ही सबसे पहले दस्तक दी अखबार ने, क्या है ताजा नीति बनाई पता चला सरकार ने. ज्यों ही पलटा हमने पहला पन्ना, हम हो गए थोड़ा सा और चौकन्ना. देश विदेश की खबरों का अंबार लगा था, हर क्षेत्र की जानकारी लेकर वो अखबार छपा था. टीवी ने भी अपना प्रभाव जमा डाला, बाढ़ सुनामी चोरी डकैती सबका हाल दिखा डाला. जन का जन से जन से सरोकार किया. जी हाँ, इस मीडिया ने लोकतंत्र को नया आधार दिया. तेरी की, मैंने तो सच बोल दिया. मैं कल अपने एक दोस्त से बात कर रहा था और मैंने उसे ये टॉपिक के बारे में बताया, तो उसने मुझे बताया कि आपकी मीडिया, यदि कोई आदमी जल रहा होता है, कोई घर टूट रहा होता है, तो आपकी मीडिया वहां जाकर वीडियोग्राफी तो करता है, लेकिन ना तो वो जलता हुआ आदमी बचा सकता है और ना टूटता हुआ घर. इस सवाल ने मुझको रात भर सोने नहीं दिया. लेकिन मेरे को एकदम से राजकुमार जी की फिल्म का एक डायलॉग याद आया कि इस औंधी दुनिया को अगर सीधा देखना है तो सर के बल खड़ा होना पड़ेगा. और इसको याद रखने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि मैं तो दूसरी साइड खड़े होने जा रहा था, जबकि सच कुछ और है. सच है तो ये है कि 1947 से लेकर 1977 तक लगभग 3 दशकों तक इस मीडिया ने पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी जैसे ताकतवर प्रधानमंत्रियों की नाक में दम रखा था। अब वो चाहे जीप का घोटाला हो, या चीन के साथ भारत के युद्ध में पराजय हो, या बंगाल का दुर्भिक्ष घोटाला हो, या फिर पूर्वोत्तर हिमालयों में अशांत राज्यों में विदेशी घुसपैठ हो, हर एक मुद्दे को बड़ी बेबाकी से इस मीडिया ने प्रस्तुत किया था और सत्ता का एक काला सच जनता के सामने लाकर खड़ा किया था। वही क्रम उस समय से अभी तक जारी है और वर्तमान समय में वो चाहे 2G का घोटाला हो, कोयला घोटाला हो, चारा घोटाला हो, या फिर नोटबंदी के बाद हुए घोटाले हों, उन सबको बड़ी बेबाकी से कवरेज दिया था। खैर, राज को राज रहने दो, राज बड़ा गहरा है, प्रक्रिया वही है, बदला सिर्फ चेहरा है। मैं आपको बता देना चाहता हूं कि भारतीय मीडिया स्वाधीनता संग्राम से लेके आज तक अपना काम बखूबी कर रही है। और मेरे विपक्षी मित्र जो ये बात कह रहे हैं कि मीडिया कुछ लोगों की कठपुतली बनकर रह गया है, तो मैं उनको बता देना चाहता हूं कि मीडिया कुछ लोगों की कठपुतली बनकर नहीं रह गया है, क्योंकि पिछले 8 साल में अर्थव्यवस्था अपने सबसे निचले स्तर पर, 20 साल में बेरोजगारी सबसे अपने ऊपरे स्तर पर, किसान कर रहे हैं आत्महत्याएं, अपराध बढ़ रहे हैं, यौन हिंसाएं बढ़ रही हैं, देश में कोरोना की मार इतनी हो गई है, असम में बाढ़ से इतने सारे लोग मर गए, बिहार में इतने सारे लोग मर गए, ये सब कवरेज हमारी मीडिया की है। तो आप किस आधार पर ये कह रहे हैं कि भारतीय मीडिया कुछ लोगों की कठपुतली बनकर रह गई है? महोदय, ये भारतीय मीडिया ही है जो चीन की डोकलाम नीति की बात जन जन तक पहुंचाती है। ये भारतीय मीडिया ही है। और लगता है मेरा टाइम अप होने वाला है, तो मैं अपने आप को समेटते हुए वापस आता हूं अपनी स्पीच पे कि अगर हम कह रहे हैं कि मीडिया अपनी टीआरपी करती है, तो मैं बता रहा हूं कि मुझसे पहले कम से कम 10 से ज्यादा लोगों ने अपनी अपनी स्पीच दी, लेकिन मुद्दा सबके पास एक ही था। लेकिन क्या सबका तरीका एक था? क्या सबका कंटेंट एक था? ठीक वही समय हमारे मीडिया चैनल करते हैं जो अपने अपने मुद्दों को अपने अपने तरीके से पेश करते हैं। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमारी मीडिया इस लोकतंत्र में सक्षम नहीं है। असल बात तो यह है कि इस लोकतंत्र का वास्तव में कोई आधार है तो वो मीडिया है, क्योंकि मीडिया ही है जो तंत्र की जवाबदेहिता जनता के प्रति तय करता है। और एक मीडिया ही माध्यम है कि आज बड़े बड़े अधिकारी मीडिया के नाम से धर्राते हैं और भ्रष्टाचार करने से या फिर कोई भी अपराध करने से पहले 100 बार सोचते हैं। ये एक मीडिया की ही ताकत है। और जनता की आवाज को सत्ता तक पहुंचाने के लिए हमें मीडिया की जरूरत है। और ये मीडिया ही एक माध्यम है जो एक दिल्ली में मर रहे बोरवेल में बच्चे को दिखाती है और बताती है कि सत्ता किस तरह नाकाम है। ये मीडिया ही है जो निर्भया के केस की पैरवी करती है और निर्भया को इंसाफ दिलाती है। ये मीडिया ही है जो जेएनयू के जैसे की वकालत करके उसको सरेआम करती है और बताती है कि कुछ लोग हमारे देश में ऐसे भी हैं। तो इस मीडिया को समझिए, सच को जानने की कोशिश कीजिए, क्योंकि सच जरूरी नहीं है जो दिख रहा हो, सच वो भी हो सकता है जो ना दिख रहा हो। अंत में
such a nice speech, Teekchand, I can say. I want to say one thing, Teekchand, that Anshuman is here. He is such a nice speaker in Hindi, and I can say you can compete with him. And he is such a nice speaker in Hindi, and very valuable. Evaluation is going on back, and audiences, you can share your opinion. What do you like most in his speech? And Teekchand, how's your experience with WOW?
एक सेकंड इंटरप्शन के लिए माफी चाहूंगा टेकचंद भाई। दोस्तों, चैट बॉक्स पूरा खाली पड़ा है। आप लोग क्या स्पीच सुन के मजा नहीं आया? इतनी ज्यादा एनर्जी थी, मेरे को तो बिल्कुल ऐसे फड़फड़ाहट हो गई, सर के हाथ से ताली निकल गई। कमेंट बॉक्स को भर दो जो भी अच्छा लगा हो। मुझे पता है आपको कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा लगा है, कुछ तो अच्छा लगा है, जाके लिखो कमेंट बॉक्स में। टेकचंद भाई, आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कीजिएगा। वाओ
सर, मैं एक्सपीरियंस की बात करूं तो आपने एक हुनर को मंच दिया है और जो आवाज दबी सी थी उसको उठाया है। इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कह सकता। और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये है कि आपके सामने प्रूफ है। मैं 17 तारीख से फीवर में हूं और इस कंपटीशन को अटेंड करने के लिए, अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन देने के लिए मैंने अपनी बीमारी को भी साइड में कर दिया। तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि आप कितने अच्छे हैं और ये मंच कितना अच्छा है। आप लोगों की प्यार ने, आप लोगों की सपोर्ट ने मुझे इतना इंकरेज किया कि भाई तू कर, रेस्ट मत कर, तू स्पीच कर। तो आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि आपने ये मंच दिया। इसके लिए बहुत स्पीच दिए हैं, लेकिन ऑनलाइन स्पीच में इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, इतनी सारी चीजें सीखी कि बस मैं ही जान सकता हूँ कि मैंने क्या सीखा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका।
आई थिंक इस चीज को मैं भी मतलब कहीं ना कहीं इस चीज को पॉइंट आउट करना चाहता हूँ कि एफर्ट लोग करते हैं, बट एफर्ट के बाद वाला जो एफर्ट होता है वो बहुत कम लोग करते हैं. आई कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट, बहुत एफर्ट दिख रहा है तुम्हारी साइड से, एंड यू नो जबकि यूर इन हॉस्पिटल, और वो मतलब एक अलग एक फेज होता है जहां पर आपका हेल्थ का ज्यादा होता है, या फिर मतलब मैं ठीक हो जाऊं, या फिर यू नो इस टाइप का होता है. घर वाले भी कहते हैं यार क्या चल रहा
मना कर दिया था सर घर वालों ने साफ, अभी भी मना कर रहे थे, मैंने कहा मुझे तो करना है.
आई थिंक दैट्स अमेजिंग. आपके डॉक्टर को जरूर कहना कि आइए जरा बैठिए, हम आपको 10,000 स्पीकर्स की कहानी जरूर सुनाते हैं.
जी सर, बिल्कुल सर.
ठीक है. और कोई है घर पे, घर से आसपास?
सर हाँ है, अभी फिलहाल बुआ है.
अच्छा, तो हेलो बोल देते हैं बुआ को. गाइस सब लोग एक बार स्क्रीन ऑन करो, बुआ को हेलो बोलेंगे.
जी सर. नीचे आ जाओ, नीचे नीचे. ये मेरी बुआ है.
बुआ जी नमस्ते. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं अभिषेक बात कर रहा हूँ दिल्ली से, और हम अभी एक एक प्रतियोगिता कर रहे हैं जिसके अंदर स्पीच कंपटीशन है ऐसा, और टीचर ने बहुत अच्छा स्पीच दिया है और आप उसका ध्यान रख रही हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा ये जान के. हमारी तरफ से बहुत सारे लोग आपके बच्चे के लिए दुआएं कर रहे हैं, और हमारे टीम मेंबर के लिए भी टेक चंद. सो ऐसे ही ध्यान रखिए इसका, और बहुत अच्छा लड़का है.
ये ध्यान रख रही हैं.
चलो
सर इनका हार्ट का ऑपरेशन हुआ है अभी, इसके बावजूद मेरा ध्यान रख रही हैं.
अरे बहुत मतलब अभी हम पे थोड़ा हमको गिल्टी लग रहा है, हम कह रहे हैं यार हमको तो कुछ नहीं हो रखा, बट चलो
एक्चुअली
बहुत बहुत ध्यान रखिए अपना.
आपका ही इंकरेजमेंट है कि मैं यहाँ हूँ.
जी जी जी. कहाँ से हो वैसे, कहाँ से हो?
सर गाजियाबाद.
गाजियाबाद से. चलो ठीक है, चलो ठीक है टीचर, पूरा ठीक भी हो जाओ एंड देन बी बैक. ठीक है, चलो ध्यान रखिए. नमस्कार.
ओके सर.
Over to the host.
Tek Chand, I can say such a nice speech, and एक चीज ध्यान आ रही है, जो quote है काफी popular, that winners never make excuses, and you have proven.
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं टेक चंद भाई, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपकी स्पीच के लिए. बहुत ही जानदार स्पीच थी गाजियाबाद से. अभी अभिषेक सर बात कर रहे थे एफर्ट्स की, और हम जो अगले स्पीकर को बुलाने जा रहे हैं वो एफर्ट्स का एक सीधा एग्जांपल लेके आ रहे हैं स्पीच के लिए. अगली स्पीकर है अंजलि. बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम जा रही है, पर फिलहाल आप लोग उनकी स्पीच पे ध्यान दीजिए. स्पीच सुनिए, प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में भी बताया जाएगा. एफर्ट्स का एक और एग्जांपल. अंजलि, आर यू देयर?
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, Anjali, you are totally audible. I'm giving you the spotlight and you can go with your speech with 3, 2, 1.
A very good evening to one and all present here. My name is Anjali Singh and I'm speaking for WOW, War of Words, which is organized by 10,000 Speakers Community, and I will be talking about the mainstream media. Well, what is the mainstream media? Mainstream media refers to the reliable source of information like television, newspaper, radio, etc. Gone are the days when the person who was reading the news to us just simply describing the events happening in the country. Today we have the loudest shouting Arnab Goswami, always speaking here and there about everything happening in the world. Yes, today's modern day, we can easily access the news. But a question arises, is the news accurate? Is the news reliable? Well, I guess no. There are bizarre news from cow piss curing corona to Ramdev Baba saying that yoga can cure homosexuality. It is so weird and it is so bizarre. But we have to accept that today's media houses have nothing but one thing. That is, they have to get to the highest ladder of TRP charts. They have to make the most of the TRP so that they can get more sponsors, can have more revenue, and have big studios and become the most proclaimed channels of all time. Yes, it is true. They come up with some weird headlines like "Pyar mein dhoka to sarak pe dhoka" and "Delhi mein bhukamp to iske piche hai Kejriwal ka haath." They have literally told that a human is responsible for a natural calamity. Can you imagine that? It is so utterly funny and still bizarre. So towards the end, I would like to say that media is a very important and very strong pillar of our country. They should make sure that they focus on the topics that matter and that are relevant. If they don't do that, then they are nothing but a curse for our country. Thank you.
अमेजिंग स्पीच अंजलि, रियली अमेजिंग स्पीच, बहुत ही ज्यादा जानदार स्पीच और एग्जांपल्स तो ऑसम। गाइस, आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा कौन सा वाला एग्जांपल लगा चैट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं आप लोग। कांग्रेचुलेशन, आप लोग के मैसेजेस मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ चैट बॉक्स में। और नेक्स्ट स्पीकर है अदिति। अदिति, आर यू देयर?
उससे पहले पूछना ही था कि उसको कैसा।
हाँ सर, मैं उसके बारे में बताऊंगा। मैं अदिति और अंजलि से एक साथ पूछूंगा कि कैसा उनका एक्सपीरियंस है, क्योंकि यहाँ थोड़ा सा सिचुएशन है जिसके बारे में बताऊंगा। अगर अदिति यहाँ है तो प्लीज अनम्यूट करें। They are both in same room, sir.
Yeah, hi. Am I audible?
Yes, Aditi, you are audible. I'm giving you the spotlight. You can start with your speech.
Okay, wait, can I start my speech? Okay.
Yep.
On your video.
Aditi is on.
On your video, on your.
Can see her video.
नमस्कार। अभी के समाचार के हिसाब से यहाँ पे बहुत भारी बारिश हुई है।
Okay, guys. Please stop. अंजलि या अदिति कोई एक अपना माइक म्यूट कर लीजिए, क्योंकि दोनों के माइक से आवाज आ रही है। Okay, अदिति, अब आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं।
Am I completely audible now?
Yes.
Okay, so give me the sign that I can start.
Start.
Okay. नमस्कार। आज की ताजा खबरों के हिसाब से सबसे बड़ा खुलासा इस वक्त का कि भारी बारिश की वजह से यहाँ पे घमासान लोड शेडिंग हो गई है और जिसकी वजह से बहुत आपदा आ गई है। एंड द नेशन वांट्स टू नो व्हेन द प्रॉब्लम विल बी सॉल्व्ड। When the problem will be solved.
Okay, pause. Aditi ji.
First of all, hello to everyone. Good evening to all the dignitaries. And all the people present there. I'm speaking for now.
Aditi.
Okay, रुको।
अदिति जी, आप अंजलि का माइक और कैमरा यूज कर लीजिए, बिकॉज आपके में से बहुत एको आ रहा है, तो आपकी स्पीच समझ नहीं आ रही।
इट वुड बी अ स्मॉल सजेशन, दोनों में से कोई एक लीव कर दो, बिकॉज एक ही जगह पे अगर दो जगह से ज्वाइनिंग है ना, तो उसके वजह से भी एको होता है।
सेम कैमरा पे आ जाना।
बोथ आर इन द सेम रूम, यू कैन जॉइन फ्रॉम वन डिवाइस, इट्स ओके।
और अदिति, ऐसे टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है। ऐसा यार क्या हो गया ये मेरी वाली स्पीच पे इतना सब, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। इट्स सुपर सिंपल, ठीक है। इट्स जस्ट दैट इट्स जस्ट सुपर सिंपल। आर दीस द लास्ट स्पीकर्स? अभी और कोई है अंशुमन?
नो सर, दे आर लास्ट। नो सर।
ओके, सो अदिति इज द लास्ट स्पीकर। ओके, ठीक है।
I'm left.
Okay.
Can I start?
My turn hasn't come yet.
Yes, Aditi.
No, I think there's one person who is also left.
Yeah.
Has said that she's left. Yeah. So, ठीक है. After Aditi, you are the person. Aditi, can you hear us now?
Yes, I can hear you. So can I start?
Yes. Let's go again.
Okay. नमस्कार। अभी के ताजा खबर के हिसाब से बहुत भारी बारिश की वजह से यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा लोड शेडिंग हो गई है और द नेशन वांट्स टू नो दैट व्हेन द प्रॉब्लम विल बी सॉल्व्ड। Namaste to all. This is Aditi speaking for Wow, War of Words, and I'm from Gujarat. And the topic I will be speaking is India's current mainstream media. Is it a blessing or a curse for our nation? And I will be speaking that it's a curse for our nation, because from starting the news with a soft tone and then shouting on the top of the lungs to the nation wants to know, it has changed, and so we have changed. Now I'll give an example that what has happened. A few months back or 1 year back, there was a Muslim girl was raped, and the people from the Bollywood, they came with a placard that I am Hindustan, I am ashamed, and I don't know how to react. But after a few days, a Hindu girl got raped and no one even uttered a word. Those A-listers and the Nepo kids, they didn't even utter a word. Now this again showed religion in a shady light, according to the media. And the mainstream media houses, they showed it in such a bad light that the minority got very much upper hand and the majority didn't got, right? And for example, most of this media, they think that we are just like sheep. We are like sheep, and these are the shepherds, right? So I really want to convey that even now the mainstream media is very much plays a role in creating such important news to the news channels. But again, they don't show the real truth. They don't show that what is being there out. They will not tell us about the floods that is happening in Assam and Bihar. They will not tell us about the hikes and spikes in the diesel prices. They will also not tell us so many issues that what has happened nowadays, but they'll sugarcoat stuff. And then we come to know that how the real truth has been hidden, and they prevail under the veil. So the media nowadays, whether it is electronic, print or digital. Now yesterday or a few days back, I was reading an article which was about Islamophobic. Like, how can you write something like that? That is bizarre and absurd, but it really existed. And then I really want to conclude by saying that we don't have to always be opinionated. We just need to be informed, and thus we really need to see that what these people are conveying to us, because if we read newspapers and they are misleading us and misguiding us, then we really need to focus on certain things and clear our opinions. So thank you so much. That was it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aditi. Such a nice speech, I can say.
And light भी आ गई.
Yes.
Yeah,
light आने की खुशी अलग ही होती है, by the way.
So Aditi, such a nice speech. Audiences, it's your time. You can type what you like most in
One second. Sorry for interruption, भाग्या. मैं अदिति से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज अंजलि को भी बुला ले अपने कैमरे पे, क्योंकि हमने अंजलि को लेफ्ट होने के लिए कह दिया था.
Yes. Both sisters come with in one camera.
Yeah. Guys, are you there? Aditi and Anjali.
लाइट आ गई है, अब नहीं आएंगे वो. यार लाइक हमारे तो घर पे लाइट आ गई, अब तो हमारा केबीसी आएगा.
Yes sir. Yes sir. I'm
Okay.
Hello.
Yes. Aditi, we are saying that on your camera and call Anjali as well with you.
Okay. What sir? What ma'am?
Please turn on your camera, Aditi.
We can take across.
Amila. Okay. Okay. Hi.
Yes, and call Anjali as well with you.
Yes. Because I just. Yeah. We are just.
Yes, and we want to know your experience with BOW.
Okay, it was very like we were so tense. We had heavy rainfall this morning. We were prepared, and there was no load shedding. There was load shedding, and then we just got electricity right now. So we were like very much nervous. Like we were scared. I was really crying. I burst into tears.
It was like we were losing hope and we were getting hope. Then we were losing.
आ रही थी, जा रही थी. हमारी
But it was super fun. हम सबको बोले थे कि हमने एक ज़माने में एक competition में part लिया था जहाँ हमारे पास light थी.
Thank you so much to both. Amazing.
I guess you guys are sisters or friends.
Giving the platform.
Sorry.
Thank you for giving the platform to us. It was really amazing.
Your sisters or your friends or what?
We are sisters.
Oh, that's really so competing each other, I'll say.
पूजा पहले जज थे जिनको पता चला था कि ये दोनों सिस्टर्स हैं, कॉम्पीट कर रहे हैं. हमारी इवेलुएटर्स में पूजा है, उनको पहले से पता था कि ये सिस्टर्स है, बिकॉज पूजा की आईज बहुत कीन है. उन्होंने पता नहीं क्या जज कर लिया था कि हाँ ये दोनों सिस्टर्स है पक्का. और मैं बताऊंगा.
That's called a way of observation.
ओके सर, मैं बताऊंगा कि अभी इन दोनों जन जब स्पीच डिलीवर कर रहे थे ना, तो जब अंजलि बोल रही थी तो अदिति उनको पीछे से फ्लैश दिखा रही थी, क्योंकि लाइट तो थी नहीं. और जब अदिति बोल रही थी अंजलि फ्लैश दिखा रही थी. इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि एक्सपीरियंस इन दोनों जन के साथ में ले लेंगे, क्योंकि फिर फ्लैश कौन दिखाएगा.
ओके लाइट ही आ गई. ऑलराइट.
ओके सर जी, अब सबके स्पीचेस हो चुके हैं.
नहीं, आई थिंक देयर इज वन पर्सन लेफ्ट.
नाइस. ओके, कौन लेफ्ट है?
वो you'll feel like I am left, like train चली गई मैं रह गई वाला. I think
left. Please let me know.
Diya, I guess
Diya also got some mic connection problem. Okay, Diya, you are in the list. Sorry for that. Diya, are you there?
Yes.
Please turn on your camera.
Yeah.
Let me check your audio first. Ask something, please.
I hope.
Yes, you are audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. And now you can start with your speech. 3, 2, 1. Rolling.
हम हैं आपकी आवाज कल तक से हमारी आवाज या फिर आम आदमी को दबाने की आवाज? जवाब आप तो बेहतर जानते ही है. Today the sun was bright but not as bright as your faces. A very beautiful evening to all. Myself Diya Khanna. I'm a student hailing from Amritsar. I'm here participating in WOW, the War Awards August edition organized by 10,000 Speakers Community. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. याद है आपको जब ये कोरोना पेंडेमिक शुरू हुआ तो क्या हालत थी हमारी? We were totally depressed. डर था कि कहीं मुझे ही ना कोरोना हो जाए, कि मैं मर ना जाऊं. और कोरोना ने क्या मारना, लोग डिप्रेशन में आके सुसाइड करने लगे. और अब now we know कि कोरोना है, कोई भूत नहीं है, कोई इतना हुआ नहीं था, डरने की बात नहीं. It's all fine, be cool, with precautions लेंगे that it's fine. तो ये ट्रांजिशन कहाँ से आई? ऑब्वियसली केसेस तो कम नहीं हुआ, राइट स्पाइक हो गए 35 लाख. राज की बात बताऊं, हमने न्यूज देखनी बंद कर दी. समझे कुछ? मुझे समझाती हूँ. आई आस्क यू वन क्वेश्चन, आंसर चैट बॉक्स में दे दीजिएगा. बताइए कि फ्रॉम मार्च टू जून कोई 2 ऐसे इवेंट्स हो जिसमें आपको न्यूज पर सुने एंड यू फेल्ट हैप्पी कि हाँ हमारी नेशन ने अचीव कर लिया, दिस इज समथिंग ऑफ प्राइड. नहीं याद आ रहा, मुझे भी नहीं आ रहा, बिकॉज हमारे मीडिया ने कुछ पॉजिटिव दिया ही नहीं. वो तो बस हमें कोरोना, पूरे दिन कोरोना 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 उसके अंधकार में लेते गए, हमें डिप्रेस कर दिया. क्या बात करूं मैं उन न्यूज़पेपर्स, उस मीडिया, उस रेडियो की जो बिक चुका है, जिसके हाथ में सत्ता उसका ये बिकाऊ मीडिया. क्या we talk of freedom of press, free press, पर रूलिंग पार्टी का दिन रात गुणगान करने वाला मीडिया फ्री नहीं बहुत वाला होता है. कल एबीसी पार्टी के थे तो आज XYZ की छत्र छाया में पल रहे हैं. मानते हो ना? अच्छा आपको पता है जब वो राम मंदिर भूमि पूजन हुआ तो हम सब ने इकट्ठे बैठकर देखा, एक चैनल पर टेलीकास्ट हुआ. होना ही था, पता था कि लोग खुश होंगे तो गवर्नमेंट को वोट डालेंगे. पर कहाँ थी ये मीडिया जब डीमोनेटाइजेशन के टाइम पर हमारा देश 10 साल पीछे चला गया? क्यों किसी न्यूज चैनल ने टेलीकास्ट नहीं किया? आपको तो पता ही है कि इनका खर्चा पानी आखिर चलता कैसे है. तो चलो एक और पहलू देखते हैं. दिल्ली राइट, दिल्ली दंगे जो हुए थे, किस तरीके से न्यूज चैनल्स पर दिखाया गया. ये धर्म के लोग इस धर्म को मारने पर तुले, ये धर्म ये कर रहा है. एक धर्म को दिखा दिया विक्टिम कार्ड और दूसरे को मॉन्स्टर कार्ड. So you understand कि what these were people were trying to do. These were trying to create a communal disharmony in the nation. वो वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स प्रमोट करते रहे और हम उनके लपेटे में आते रहे. मीडिया चालाक नहीं है, हम बेवकूफ है, हम नासमझ है. Personally, I want to make my career in media because I love public speaking and I want that truth should come out. But मुझे डर लगता है कहीं मैं भी इन रहीजादों के चंगुल में ना फंस जाऊं, कहीं मुझे अपने प्रिंसिपल्स, अपने मोरल्स को छोड़ना ना पड़े. डर लगता है मुझे कि कहीं इनकी कठपुतली ना बन जाऊं. But I will not let this happen. I will make the truth prevail. क्या सच क्या झूठ जो हमें दिखाया जा रहा है. धोखेबाज दुनिया, फरेबी मीडिया जो तुम्हें और मुझे अपनी चपेट में ही लेता जा रहा है. समझ जा, अभी भी समझ जा, देर नहीं. थैंक यू.
Diya Khanna, such a nice speech I can say, with lots of energy, lots of enthusiasm. And people, you can share your opinion. What do you like most in her speech? And Diya, how was your experience?
पहले तो जो टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम आई, I really became nervous कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, but everything happened good. और I'm really thankful to WOW, the 10,000 speakers community, because I used to speak on stages, but performing it in the front of the camera or your mobile, it was something very new. और मुझे बहुत डर था कि पता नहीं मैं कर पाऊंगी या नहीं, but with your help and with your support, it went well. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Diya, for your words. And Anshuman, I think we are on the last.
Yeah, we are on the last. Diya जी, सबसे पहले तो congratulations, बड़ी स्पेशल तरीके से आपने अपनी स्पीच प्रेजेंट की, उसके लिए congratulations. और सभी स्पीकर्स बोल चुके हैं. अब मैं श्योर हूँ कोई रह तो नहीं गया, चैट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं. और गाइस स्पीचेस हो चुकी हैं और अब मैं हमारे कोच, हमारे कूल कोच अभिषेक सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि क्या प्लीज आप अपने व्यूज बताएंगे इस टॉपिक पे. अभिषेक सर.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Anshuman, for that. And before I share my views, I think सब लोग ने अपने अपने views रखे. मतलब it was a thought of train that happened. बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने को मिली, बहुत सारे perspective देखने को मिले. I think हाँ, interesting रहा है. So first of all, congratulations everybody for putting out their thoughts. And it takes a lot of courage because all these things are just in your mind and कहीं ना कहीं अपना perspective निकालना बहुत जरूरी होता है और फिर उसके बाद बोलना conviction से, so that as an audience we get a value. So that is something which is at the core, and a lot of you guys were able to do it. So I think that's amazing. And yeah, on my views on this topic goes something like this. मैंने न्यूज देखना छोड़ दिया, मतलब छोड़ दिया. पता नहीं मतलब क्या दिखाते रहते हैं, कुछ भी रैंडम चीजें, और मतलब रैंडमनेस के साथ भर देते हैं आपकी लाइफ को. मतलब वो कहीं पर कुछ डूब गया तो फिर आपको किसी का पुल टूट गया तो क्या करें आप, कह रहे आपको टेंशन लेनी चाहिए. ओ अच्छा. फिर वहां पर राजस्थान में किसी ने चोरी करके भाग गया, फिर क्या होगा, कह रहे आपको टेंशन लेनी चाहिए. कोई ससुर ने किसी दामाद ने किसी ससुर को मार दिया, अरे तुम्हारे ससुर भी हो सकता है. बहुत सारी चीजें, रैंडम चीजें चल रही है. एंड आई वाज लाइक यार ये क्या चल रहा है, मतलब लिटरली क्या चल रहा है. तो फिर मैंने कहा यार पता नहीं, मतलब ठीक है अब ये सब है, क्या कर सकते हैं, अब है तो है. बट आई वाज लाइक, मैंने कहा शायद यही हो मीडिया, मे बी इट इज मोर अबाउट पीपल. लाइक बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला कि जो आप देखना चाहते हो वो ही हम दिखाते हैं. अगर आप इंटेलेक्चुअल चीजें देखना चाहोगे तो हम इंटेलेक्चुअल चीजें दिखाएंगे. या कहीं ना कहीं सही बात भी है, बट ये चिकन एंड एग वाला प्रॉब्लम है कि अगर आप इंटेलेक्चुअल चीजें दिखाओगे नहीं तो हम एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, और अगर हम एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं कर सकते तो आप दिखाओगे भी नहीं, एंड समथिंग गोज इन. लेकिन रिसेंटली क्या हुआ, मैंने कुछ इंग्लिश चैनल्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लिया. अरे क्या न्यूज बताते हैं वो, मतलब असल में कुछ कुछ अच्छी न्यूज़ बताते हैं. मतलब यहाँ ये चल रहा है, अच्छा, मतलब लिटरली डिस्कशन हो रहा है इसके अंदर, लोग इंटेलेक्चुअल डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं. एंड आई एम गेटिंग ग्लैंस कि हाँ यार ये तो सही बात है, अच्छा इसमें मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ, अच्छा ये सब तो अच्छा ऐसे डायरेक्शन में, चलो ठीक है. एंड मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव ग्रो करता है. एंड दैट इज व्हाट मीडिया in overall sense should do. It is a medium to transfer. It should be a center where the discussions like these, that what we are having from a separate competition, should have happened in those areas. पर वहां कुछ और ही डिस्कस हो रहा है. कभी देखना, you don't become intellectual by watching any news channel. अभी तो मतलब अभी तो मेरे को ऐसा कोई दिखा नहीं इंडियन न्यूज चैनल्स में. तो हम लोग ने असल में इंडियन न्यूज चैनल्स को बड़ा शॉर्ट गेम लगा रखा है. And that is one of the major issue that is happening. एक और जो basic सा issue आता है, which a lot of people are reluctant about. It's not safe to go in media, and it's something of that direction. I'll tell you, speaking on a camera in front of a phone, was that difficult? No. Initially, yeah, sometime you initially, but you were able to express your thoughts, you were able to put out your things, right? This is the same thing that we have to do, but in an open platform where the country can think, country can become intellectual, not should be going across in places where it is only for monetary gains and things like that. In the end, I would like to say a very simple idea. I don't know if it if it can be something which we can build, but I have a very simple idea and maybe you can think about it. We are talking about media, and what we are talking about is news channels, newspapers, and the major concern that we are seeing is the media houses are typically business houses which are run and funded by politicians and political parties and business houses. Agreed. We are 135 crore people. Okay, why don't we have something like people owned, like something owned by people, where everybody has some share in this, and the news anchors and the news and things that go into the channel are something that we care for. And I think that would be super amazing, because overall yeah, then I think then we can say that we have a voice to be heard, because I know that all the people sitting here listening to this, they have their viewpoints, but nobody asks them. It goes unanswered and unasked. So I would like to say that yes, today's media is not in that shape which can put us in a right direction. There are a lot of flaws. Yeah, some parts and niches it is doing good, but there are a lot of flaws, and we as the youth of the country should come together, raise the voices, and make something substantial, so that next time next generation when it comes, it doesn't have the same reasons for not growing as a nation and as a person that we have today. That's all my time. Thanks a lot and have a great day. चला,
Thank you so much, sir.
हाँ, परफॉर्मेंस करा दी आप लोगों ने तो ठीक ठाक।
सर बढ़िया था।
सर जी पूछ लेते हैं ठीक था।
हाँ, मतलब पूछता रहता हूँ मैं इसलिए। What do you guys think? Any thoughts?
Yeah, actually Twinkle is here. She wants to say something. Twinkle, you can say. You can speak that. Hey Twinkle, are you here?
Just try to repeat in 1 minute, please.
Yes.
Right.
Twinkle.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yep.
So I want to share a small inside information with you all, and I'm hoping that it doesn't go out of this group. And that is, once ABP News shared some scam against the BJP party, and that night ABP News got a letter which said, remove that video from social media, do not rebroadcast it again on the media. If you do not do so, and apologize on live TV, and if you fail to do so, remove your channel from its existence. And ABP News is a channel which was a Anand Bazar Patrika. It is going since the freedom struggle time. It was one of the pioneering channels which helped us fight for the freedom.
Hmm?